Welcome to your comprehensive house cleaning guide. Follow these step-by-step instructions to achieve a clean and tidy home. 1. Prepare your cleaning supplies. Gather all necessary cleaning supplies before starting. This may include all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, disinfectant spray or wipes, microfiber cloths or sponges, scrub brushes, vacuum cleaner, broom and dustpan, mop and bucket, trash bags. 2. Declutter and organize. Begin by removing any clutter from surfaces, floors, and countertops. Put away items that are out of place and organize belongings as needed. Clearing clutter will make the cleaning process more efficient. 3. Dusting. Dust all surfaces including shelves, furniture, and decorative items. Use a microfiber cloth or duster to capture dust and prevent it from spreading. Pay attention to areas that are often overlooked, such as ceiling fans and baseboards. 4. Cleaning surfaces. Start with the kitchen. Wipe down countertops, cabinets, and appliances with an all-purpose cleaner. Clean the bathroom next. Scrub the sink, toilet, shower, and bathtub with a disinfectant cleaner. Dust and wipe down other surfaces in the house, including tables, desks, and windowsills. Use glass cleaner to clean mirrors and windows for a streak-free shine. 5. Vacuuming and sweeping. Vacuum all carpeted areas, rugs, and upholstery using an appropriate attachment. Pay special attention to high-traffic areas and under furniture where dust and debris tend to accumulate. Sweep hard floors such as tile, hardwood, or laminate to remove dirt and debris. 6. Mopping. Fill a bucket with water and a suitable floor cleaner. Mop hard floors thoroughly, starting from one corner of the room and working your way out. Change the mop water as needed to ensure you're not spreading dirt around. 7. Cleaning fixtures and appliances. Clean kitchen appliances such as the microwave, oven, and refrigerator both inside and out. Wipe down light switches, door handles, and other frequently touched surfaces with disinfectant. Polish faucets, handles, and knobs to remove water spots and fingerprints. 8. Emptying trash and recycling. Gather all trash and recyclables from around the house. Empty trash bins and replace liners as needed. Sort recyclables and dispose of them properly. 9. Final touches. Walk through each room to ensure everything is clean and in its place. Open windows to let in fresh air and remove any lingering odors. Take note of any areas that may need additional cleaning or maintenance. 10. Maintenance tips. Develop a regular cleaning schedule to keep your home consistently clean. Stay organized by decluttering regularly and finding designated spots for items. Spot clean spills and messes as soon as they occur to prevent stains and buildup. Congratulations! Your home is now clean and inviting. Enjoy the fresh atmosphere and relaxation that comes with a tidy living space. Thank you for watching.